Everyone, this is Ramesh and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the chapter Algebraic Expressions. So let's know the meaning of algebra and what is this algebraic expression, what we are going to be learning in this chapter. Let's be learn in this video completely the introduction of this chapter. So listen very carefully, this is very important to your higher educations. So let's enter into the topic. First one, let's know the meaning of algebra. You all know the silly definition of algebra, but actually the algebra is a branch of mathematics which always deals with constant terms and variables by using some arithmetical operations. So algebra is a branch of mathematics which always deals with numerical terms or constant terms and the variables which are connected by some arithmetical operations. What are the arithmetical operations? We know that addition, plus, minus, into, divided by. These are the arithmetical operations. So algebra is a branch of mathematics which always deals with the numerical or constant terms, both are same, numerical term or constant terms, and variable terms which are interconnected with the arithmetical operation. This is what algebra actually. So let's know that, as I said you in the definition of algebra, numerical terms are constant terms and variable terms. Let's know the meaning of numericals and variables. So we go for numerical terms are constant terms. Constant terms. Numerical terms are constant terms. What are the numerical terms? Are constant terms. Here itself there is a meaning constant. Constant terms, yes. 2 is constant. 5 is a constant. All the numbers are constant terms. So, what is the value of, what do you study this actually? Yes, this is a 5. Here you will study 5. At your home you write this 5. Write this, even you will study as a 5. Again go to the somewhere. You go to the Delhi, ask them what is this, they will tell 5. You go to America or somewhere, wherever in the universe you go, everybody will tell us that is 5. This is a constant. It will never change. The numbers will never change their value. The value of 5 is always 5. It is called constant term or numerical term. Constant term or numerical term which does not change. It's known as a constant. So constant terms are, all the numbers are known as a constant terms. Then what meaning of? What is the meaning of variable? Variable terms. Variable terms. What is the meaning of variable? Variable in the sense which is not constant, it's known as a variable. Which is not constant, it's known as a variable. So what is the not constant? Like see here plus equal to 5. A box plus 2 equal to 5. Here an empty place. Here the empty place. What we need to add here to get 5 to the 3? So if you add 3 to the 2, we get 5. So instead of this 3, if you write x, here x plus 2 equal to 5. X plus 2 equal to 5. Here x is a not constant. Here x is known as a variable. X is known as a variable because it's not constant. It changes. It's not constant. It always changes. It's known as a variable. See, suppose x equal to, I can write 4. 4 plus 2 equal to 5? No, it's not equal. Even here x can have many chances. You can substitute in the place of x many values. Infinity values you can substitute in the place of x. But only one chance will give a correct answer. Only one chance will give us correct answer. Remaining all incorrect answers. Whatever. Here x value is not constant. We can substitute any value in the place of x. That means x value is changes. There is a variable. It is a variable. Suppose general examples of variable. Day-to-day temperature is a variable. Your height is a variable and it changes. Growth of your hair is a variable. Yes or no? So there are many examples we can take of variables. Okay, here constant analysis which does not change is known as a constant, which changes which is not constant is known as a variable. Variables normally we represent in the mathematics. We takes normally like a x, y, z, a, b, c. The lowercase alphabets we assume as a variables. Lowercase alphabets, what small a, b, c is until z. They are known as a variables which are not constant. That means we can substitute any values in the place of those variables. But always ultimately there is only one chance to get the correct answer. That's the other thing. So I hope you understand what is constant term and what is variable terms. Next, let's learn what is the combination of this constant term and variable term is known as a literal term. The combination of this constant term and variable terms is known as a literal term. The combination of these two is known as a literal term. Suppose here phi is a constant term, x is a variable term. The combination of these two, the product of these two is known as a literal term. Phi x is a literal term. The combination of constant term and variable term is known as a literal term. So till now we have only learned about algebra. In that, algebra is a branch of mathematics which always deals with the constant and variable terms with the using of arithmetical operation, which is known as a algebra. Then what does meaning of expressions? Let's know that. What is the meaning of expression? Expressions. An expression is a single or combination of terms. An expression is a single term or combination of terms which are connected by the arithmetical operations. An expression is a single term or combination of terms which are connected by the arithmetical operations is known as an expression. Like see, a single term phi x is an expression. Okay, plus 2y. Okay. An expression is a single term. Phi x you can take a combination of terms. Phi x plus 2y are not. Phi x minus 2 equal to 20. Whatever. So, an expression is a single term or combination of terms which are connected by plus or minus. Okay, here plus or minus only. I did not tell you about into and division because multiplication and divisions are not separate terms. They are known as a same terms. That means only this gives us a single term. Suppose 5 into x, it gives us 5x. It's not two terms. It's only a single term. For example, 5 divided by x is 5 by x. It's also a single term. You cannot be divide like it is a two terms. This is a one term and this is one term. No, it's not correct. They are single term. This is a single term. And here also the multiplication and divisions will not divide into the terms. Only addition or subtractions will divide into the terms. See, 5x plus 2y. Here it is a one term and the plus is separated the other term, that is 2y. Here 5x minus 2. Here first term and this is a second term. First term and second term. So an expression is a single term or combination of terms which are connected by plus or minus, which are not connected by multiplication or division. If it is connected by multiplication or division, but multiplication and division will not separate the terms. Only plus or minus will separate the terms. Okay, I hope you understand. So this is an expression. An expression is a single term or combination of terms which are connected by plus or minus. So these expressions are classified into two types. What are the types of expressions? Let us learn. So these types of expressions are two types. One is numerical expression. What is that? Numerical expression. The other one is algebraic expression. That is our chapter. The next one is algebraic one is numerical expression, the other one is algebraic expression. What is the meaning of a numerical expression? A numerical expression is a simple one. So let's take, for example, for the numerical expression, you can take here 5 plus 2 into 3 divided by 4. This is completely known as a numerical expression. You cannot even see any variables in this. Completely you have only constant terms. An expression which is contains only a constant terms, it's known as a numerical expression. It's completely known as numerical expression. Okay, what is the meaning of an algebraic expression? Before you go into the, okay, let me explain you this algebraic expression first. Let me take this same example. If I put here, instead of this 5, I will put pi x plus 2 into 3 divided by 4. To see the both same, but a small change in that. In the first example, I wrote only 5. In the second example, I wrote pi x. What is the meaning of an algebraic expression? Algebraic expression, it contains at least one variable. In an expression, contains at least one variable is known as an algebraic expression. Now, this is known as an algebraic expression. The first one is numerical expression. In the numerical expression, only we can see the constant terms. In algebraic expression, at least we should have one variable. If you have one variable in an expression, it's known as an algebraic expression. Let me write some more examples here. Here, 2x plus 3y plus 2. It's also an algebraic expression. Then let me write here 5xy z plus 2. It is also known as an algebraic expression. Let me write now 5 plus 3. It is a numerical expression. I hope you understand. If you contains at least one variable in an expression, it's known as an algebraic expression. If no any variables contains in an expression, all constant terms are present, then it's known as a numerical expression. Yes, I hope you understand what is the meaning of an expression. An expression is a single term or combination of terms which are connected by plus or minus. These expressions are two types, numerical expression and an algebraic expression. Numerical expression, an expression if contains only constant terms, it's known as a numerical expression. An algebraic expressions, in an expression, if at least there is a one variable, it's known as an algebraic expression. Suppose 5x is an algebraic expression. 5 is a numerical expression. I hope you understand this. Next, let's know the meaning of, what is the meaning of like terms, what is the meaning of unlike terms. Okay, here we learn that. Okay, then the meaning of like terms and unlike terms. Then we can go to the further. First, like terms. What is the meaning of like terms? Like terms lessons. In a given terms, if they have same variable and same exponents, same variables and same exponents, they are known as a like terms, or else they are known as a unlike terms. Suppose, let me write here 5x comma 3x. 5x and 3x. Here 5x and 3x. Only we should see the variable and the exponents of the variable. Only two things you need to remember. First one, variables. They should have same variable and they should have same exponents. The variables should have same exponents. Here x exponent is 1. Here x exponent is 1. So x and x. This is contains x variable. And this term also contains x variable. X and x same variable. And this x contains variable 1, then the exponent. X exponent is 1. Here also x exponent is 1. So they have same variable and the variable contains same exponents. Then it's known as a like terms. Let me write some more example here. 5xy, 7xy, minus 7xy. Whatever. Either they are plus or minus, no matter. Only we should have here. Let's take this example. 5xy square minus 7xy square. So let's see, they have same variables or not? X and x. X exponent is 1, x exponent is nothing but a 1. So x exponents are same. Y and y same. Y exponent is 2, y exponent is 2. Yes, here same variables xy. Same exponents, x exponent is 1, x exponent is 1. Y exponent is 2, y exponent is 2. So they have same variables and same exponent. Hence, these two terms are known as like terms. Not only two terms, you can take more than two terms also. Whatever the number of terms, but all the terms should have same variables and same exponents. Then only they can consider as a like terms. Let's take some more example now. 5xy. Here 7x square y. Let's see, they have same variable now. Here we have variables xy and xy. Same variables we have. Let's see their exponents. Variables exponents. X exponent is 1. X exponent is 2. Here itself they are not same exponents. We should not worry about the next now. Here itself they are not same. Don't worry about the y. Y exponents are same. But x exponents are different now. So, as here 5xy, 7x square y are not like terms. They are known as a unlike terms. They are known as a unlike terms. That is our next one. Unlike terms. So, what is the meaning of unlike terms? If they don't have a same variable or not a same exponents, if the variables doesn't have same exponents, then they are known as a unlike terms. Suppose let me explain here. 5x, here 7y. 5x comma 7y. All these like terms or unlike terms? Same. Here we have variable x, here we have variable y. They are unlike terms. Okay, next. 5xy. 15 x y square. Same variables do you have? Yes, here xy variables. Here also we have xy variables only. But what about their exponents? X exponent is 1. X exponent is 1. Yes, till here okay. Here y exponent is 1. Here y exponent is 2. So here they have same variable, but the variables doesn't have a same exponents. So these two terms are known as a unlike terms. So simple to remember. If two or more than two terms having same variable and if the variables having same exponents, they are known as a like terms, or else they are known as a unlike terms. Okay. Next we know about coefficients. Coefficients. What is the meaning of coefficients? Coefficients. Let's know that coefficient nothing but the multiply term before the expression. Suppose we have 5xy. You have it. For example, let's take 5xy. What is the coefficient of 5? The 5 coefficient is xy. What are the terms are multiplied to 5? They are known as the coefficients. Here, what is the coefficient of 5? 5 coefficients are what? Xy. What is the x coefficient to 5y? What is the y coefficient to 5x? For example, 7x square y. 7x square y. What is the y coefficient? 7x square. What is the x square coefficient? 7y. What is 7? A coefficient. What is the 7 coefficient? X square y. X square y. Actually, these coefficients are two types. One is numerical coefficient. The next one, literal coefficients. Numerical coefficients is, you see, this 7 is a numerical coefficients. If they contains variables, it's known as a literal coefficients and algebra coefficients. Different. So just you need to be know that what is coefficient. That's it. Not types of coefficients. Coefficients is if a term, if there is a one term like a 3x square yz. What is the coefficient of 3? 3 coefficients are x square yz. What is the coefficient of x square? 3yz are coefficients are x square. That's it. Okay, the multiplying terms to the given term are known as a coefficients. Now, next, this is the term to be learned. This is the time to be learned now. This is the time to be learned. What are the types of an algebraic expressions? Just now we have learned what is algebra, what is constant term or numerical term, what is variable, and what is the literal term. If combinations of constant term and literal term is known as a constant and variable terms. The combination of these two terms is known as a literal term. Then about expression. Expression is a single or combination terms connected by the plus or minus is known as a expression. Numerical expression. If all constant terms contains numerical expression, if at least one variable contains, that is an algebraic expression. Now just we have learned about like terms, unlike terms and coefficients. Now here we have already learned about the algebraic expressions. No? Okay, here we learn now the types of algebraic expressions. Types of algebraic expressions. Types of algebraic expressions. How many types are? Let's see. Here, based on the terms involved in an algebraic expression, based on terms. What? Based on terms. How many terms it contains? You have an algebraic expression, big algebraic expressions. How many terms? Let's see. Here, 5x plus 3y plus 2z plus 5. You have many terms. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. So, plus or minus will divide into the terms. Suppose here there is a minus. Plus or minus only will divide into the terms. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. Based on the terms, we have different kinds of algebraic expressions. So, what are those? Let us see here. Okay, first one is monomial. First one is monomial. What is the next one is bionomal. Next one is bionomal. The next one is trinomial. After that, multinomials. Multinomials. So these are the types of algebraic expression based on the terms. Based on terms. So what is the meaning of monomial? If an algebra contains only single term, if an algebraic expression contains only a single term, it's known as a monomial. For example, of monomial 5x, 7x, minus 7y, 7 by 2x. This whole we have only one term. These terms are not connected by any arithmetical operation plus or minus. So they are known as a monomials. Monomial in the sense, if an expression contains only one term, it's known as a monomial. Next, we go for binomial. If an expression contains two terms, it's known as a binomial. For example, 2x plus 5, 3x minus 5, 2 by 5x minus 3y. Whatever. This all contains only two terms. One term and second term. First term, second term. First term and second term. Okay. Divisor will not divide into the terms. Only it is a single term. Here also it is a single term. 7 by 2 it is not a separate term. Only one term. Okay. So, here an expression, an algebraic expression contains only two terms. It is known as a binomial. Simple. What is the meaning of trinomial? Yes. Yes, your expectation is correct. If an algebraic expression contains three terms, it is known as a trinomial. For example of trinomials, 3x plus 2x minus 5y. Okay, unlike terms. They should be contains unlike terms, not like terms. If there is a like terms, we can add or subtract. See, 5x plus 2x. It's not two terms. It's not a two separate terms. It's a single term only. Why? Here 5x and 2x both are like terms. Why? They have same variable and same exponents. So for like terms, we can add or subtract. So 5x plus 2x is 7x. So we can simplify that 5x plus 2x equal to 7x. Yes, it's not a separate term. That is a single term. So when you are telling the definitions of binomial and trinomial, you should also mention that if an algebraic expression contains at least if an algebraic expression contains two unlike terms, it's known as a binomial. If an algebraic expression contains three unlike terms, it's known as a trinomial. Why not like terms? Because like terms we can add it and make it into single term. See, 2x plus 3x plus 5x is completely now 10x. It is not three terms. It is a single term that is equal to 10x. We can simplify that. So this simplifications, adding and subtraction, multiplication, division, this we can learn in the next video. Okay, but here in this video just we learn that the definitions of binomial, trinomial and complete introduction about this algebraic expressions. Okay, trinomials. Trinomial is an algebraic expression if contains three unlike terms is known as a trinomial, because unlike terms cannot be added or cannot be subtracted. Unlike terms cannot be added or cannot be subtracted. So 3x plus 2z minus 5y are contains three terms, so it is known as a trinomial. What is the meaning of multinomial? If an algebraic expression contains more than one term, it's known as a multinomial only. Do not be confused here. More than one term, all terms, more than one terms, complete. If an algebraic expression contains more than one term, it is known as a multinomial. More than one term. More than. If an algebraic expression contains more than one term, it is known as a multinomial. For example, 2x plus 5y. 2x plus 5y. It is a binomial. Yes, binomial also considered as a multinomial. We have separate name. If an algebraic expression contains two unlike terms, it is known as a binomial. We know that if two terms it contains, it is known as a binomial. But it is also named as multinomial. See, this one is a multinomial. Itself is a, we can separately we have name for this like a trinomial. Okay, if an algebraic expression, this one you read it now, 5x plus 3y minus 2z plus 5. It is known as a multinomial. If contains, suppose 5x plus 3y is also known as a multinomial, or not, it is known as a binomial. 5x plus 3y minus 2z is a trinomial or multinomial. Now this is, it contains four terms. This complete one, it is known as a, no option, it is a multinomial. I hope you understand the types of an algebraic expression based on terms. Based on terms, these algebraic expressions are four types. One is monomial. If an algebraic expression contains only a single term, it is known as a monomial. If an algebraic expression contains two unlike terms, it is known as a binomial. If an algebraic expression contains three unlike terms, it is known as a trinomial. If an algebraic expression contains more than one unlike terms, it's known as a multinomials. I hope you understand about this. Okay, next we go for further examples, and next we will learn about degree of an algebraic expressions. Degree of an algebraic expressions. Degree of an algebraic expression. What is the meaning of degree? Simple. Continue. Degree of an algebraic expressions. Degree of algebraic expressions. Simple. What is the meaning of degree? Nothing but the exponent which contains variable. The variable contains the exponents. No? The exponents, counting of exponents known as a degree. Suppose 5x square What is the degree of this expression? 2. The exponent is known as a degree. So here there are types of degrees also. We can count in the types, like first degree of monomial in this. Degree of monomials. Degree of monomials. What is the degree of monomials? Already we know. So what is the degree of monomial? Suppose here is the 5 volt. What? 5x square. What is the degree of this monomial? The sum of the exponents of a term is known as the degree of monomial. Variable exponents. Okay, here we have only one exponent. The exponent of this variable is known as the degree of this monomial. Suppose here, what is the degree of this monomial? 2. 2 is the degree of this monomial. Let me take one more example now. Okay, now 5x square y. What is the degree of this monomial? Here we have contains only one term. No? It is a monomial. What is the degree of this? See, here variable x variable exponent is 2, y variable exponent is 1. The sum of these, we have to take the sum of these two variables exponents. The sum of the all exponents of variables is known as the degree of the monomial. Here 2, here 1, completely 3. Here 3 is the degree of this monomial. Let me write one more example. 5x square y square z to the power of 5. Here completely it is a single term only. There is no place or minus to separate the terms. Yes, we have only a monomial. This is the monomial. What is the degree of this monomial? 2, 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is the degree of this monomial. I hope you understand. We need to add the exponents. That's it. We write at last the sum of these exponents of the variable is known as the degree of the monomial. Next, we learn the degree of algebraic expressions. If more than one term contains, how to write the degree? Degree of an algebraic expression. Degree of algebraic expression means it contains 2 terms or 3 terms or 4 terms, whatever. How to count the degree? If it is only a single term, we add all the exponents and we will tell the degree of the monomial. If it is a bionomial or trinomial or multinomial, how to tell the degree of that algebraic expression? Let me tell you that. Now 5x square plus 3y to the power of 3. Okay, 5x square plus 3y to the power of 3. What is the degree of this an algebraic expression? Simple. Degree of this binomial is the highest degree of term is known as the degree of an algebraic expression. Remember, children, the highest degree of a term is known as the degree of an algebraic expression. That means whatever the number of terms are there, if there is a 5 terms, we need to count what is the degree of this term, degree of this term and degree of this all terms. Which degree? Suppose this term contains only 1 as a degree. The second term contains 2 as a degree. Third term contains 3 as a degree. Fourth term contains 4 as a degree. Fifth term contains suppose 6 as a degree or 7 as a degree. So highest exponent, that means highest degree of a term. Highest degree of a term is this fifth term having highest degree. So this is known as a algebraic expression, the degree of an algebraic expression. Suppose here we have 2 terms. This term contains 2 as a degree and this term contains 3 as a degree. So the highest degree is this. So 3 is the degree of this an algebraic expression. Now let me tell you one more example to understand you. Okay. 5x square y square plus 3 x to the power of 5 y to the power of 7. Let's see. Now plus 3y to the power of 5. Let's see which here there are 3 terms. Okay, here we have 3 terms. Here this term contains 2 plus 2 4. This term contains 4 as a degree. Next, this term contains 5 plus 7, 12. 12 as a degree. And this term, last term contains 5 as a degree. Now, here we have 3 terms. In the 3 terms, first term contains 4 as a degree, 2 plus 2, 4. The second term contains 5 plus 7, 12 as a degree. The third term contains 5 as a degree. Then, the highest degree of a term is second term. What is the degree? That is 12. So, the highest degree of a term is known as a degree of an algebraic expression. What is the degree of this complete algebraic expression? Not 4 plus 12 plus 5. That is not correct. Highest one we have to take. Highest one is 12. So, 12 is known as a degree of this given algebraic expression. I hope you understand. Okay, next, degree of constant terms. Degree of constant term. Degree of constant term. Constant term in the sense already we know. But here 5 is a constant. What is the degree of this? The degree of constant term is always 0. Remember, the degree of constant term is always 0. What is the degree of 5? 0. What is the degree of 15? 0. What is the degree of constant term 150? Is 0. What is the degree of 1150? It is 0. The degree of any constant term always 0. Remember children, the degree of constant term is always 0. Okay, now we have learned this all. Today we have learned about algebra, about constant term and variable terms. Combination of this constant and variable term is known as a literal term. About expression, numerical expression and algebraic expression, like term, unlike term and coefficients. The types of an algebraic expression based on terms, monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial, and degree of an algebraic expression like degree of monomial, degree of an algebraic expression, and degree of constant term. Only thing is left now, basic operations of an algebraic expression. What is basic operation? How to add an algebraic expression, how to subtract an algebraic expression, how to multiply, how to divide. That means operations, how to do the operations on this algebraic expression. That we will learn in our next video. Till that time, you must be know this complete information. Just go through your textbook and write this all the definitions once again and go through these definitions. Then you will be perfect in this algebra. Lot of children will feel difficult how to do the algebra. They confuse it. But need not to be confused. Very easy topic. That is algebra actually. Once if you go through slowly, step by step in this way, we can go and we can solve the problems very easily. We can remember for lifetime. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. Bye.